Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been really hot lately. How's everyone doing? Remember to stay cool and protect yourself from the heat. I've recently tried using the poll feature on YouTube Shorts, and I found it quite interesting. The poll is about choosing between hand drawing and digital art on the same picture, and I'm excited to see what style everyone prefers. Many people have already voted, and it's a great way for me to understand your preferences. So if you are interested, feel free to vote. I will put the link in the comments later. I've been posting 2 to 3 shorts every week, mainly pulling highlights from my longer videos. This way I can keep everyone who likes shorts happy while also making it easier for you to check out the full videos. Today we will be working on a hand drawing piece I did many years ago using watercolors. I've been organizing my old artwork and I've selected a few pieces to turn into digital illustrations. This particular artwork represents a peaceful underwater world. Alright, let's get started. For this artwork, I chose a 3300-4500 px canvas, which is different from the square canvas I often use. This time it's a rectangular canvas. To make it easier to draw a symmetrical design, I enabled the symmetry function in Procreate. To enable symmetry in Procreate, tap the red icon. Go to the Canvas tab, turn on Drawing Guide, and tap Edit Drawing Guide. Choose Symmetry and select Vertical for left-right symmetry. Tap down. Then enable Drawing Assist in the Layers panel. Now, anything you draw will be mirrored automatically. The inspiration for this artwork comes from the peaceful beauty of the ocean. The girl represents a connection to nature, while the starfish symbolize the wonders and the mysteries of marine life. People living here has a special connection with the ocean. They love activities like swimming, surfing, or even just walking along the beach. Kids here start learning to swim at a very young age, and schools even have swimming lessons. The ocean culture is deeply part of everyday life. People enjoy hosting beach parties, going fishing, or diving during holidays, making the most of the ocean's beauty. The ocean is not just a place for fun, but also a way of life and an emotional bond. At sunset, you can often see people strolling on the beach, taking photos, and enjoy their life. Life here always feels connected to the ocean. I love walking on the beach, feeling the breeze, and watching the sunset. It makes me feel warm, and that's what inspired this artwork. To match the theme, I use ocean colors for the painting, mainly blue. I choose yellow for the girl to make a nice contrast. This contrast makes the painting stand out and creates a balance between cool and warm tones. Blue feels calm and steady, while yellow gives a sense of warmth and energy. Together, they make the painting peaceful but also full of life. Unlike my previous works, this painting has a more casual style, resembling illustrations from fairy tales. Illustrations fell into a few different styles. For example, realistic styles focus on lifelike details and realism. Cartoon styles features bold lines and bright colors, often seen in children's books and animations. Flat style use simple shapes and color blocks, making them ideal for branding and UI design, and watercolor styles have soft colors with natural blending effects. Each style has its unique characteristics and can be chosen based on different creative needs. Exploring different styles is a great way to grow as an artist. Over time, as you create more works, you will naturally develop your own unique style. Personally, I like using bright and bold colors in my drawings. In the future, if there's interest, I might also try my hand at comic-style works. After all, I grew up reading comics, and it has always been a big source of inspiration for me. Alright, now grab your favorite drink, find a comfy spot, and let's relax together as we enjoy this artwork. I hope this little creative journey brings you some inspirations and a moment of calm. We are now nearing the end of this creation. Thank you so much to everyone who watched until here. I wish you have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!